Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's video will be all about the biblical number 13, meaning and symbolism, understanding biblical numerology. In biblical literature, numbers often carry symbolic meanings that transcend their numerical value. The number 13, in particular, has been associated with various themes, including rebellion, lawlessness, and transformation. This guide explores the multifaceted significance of the number 13 in the Bible, examining its appearances, interpretations, and implications for believers. The symbolism of rebellion and lawlessness. The number 13 is frequently linked to rebellion and lawlessness in biblical contexts. Bible study. Genesis 14 verse 4, the first mention. The first explicit mention of the number 13 in the Bible occurs in Genesis 14 verse 4. MaryJaneHumes. 12 years they served Chedorlaomer, and in the 13th year they rebelled. MaryJaneHumes. This verse associates the 13th year with rebellion, setting a precedent for the number's symbolic meaning. MaryJaneHumes. Nimrod, a symbol of rebellion. Nimrod, a mighty hunter and a significant figure in Genesis, is considered the 13th in the line of Ham's descendants. He is often associated with establishing kingdoms that opposed God's will, such as Babel, and is seen as a representation of human defiance against divine authority. Bible study. The number 13 in historical and prophetic context. Beyond individual figures, the number 13 appears in broader historical and prophetic narrative. The destruction of Jericho. In the conquest of Jericho, the Israelites marched around the city once for 6 days and 7 times on the 7th day, totaling 13 marches. This act of obedience led to the city's fall, contrasting the typical association of 13 with rebellion and highlighting the complexity of its symbolism. Bible study. The Book of Esther. In Esther 3 verse 12, Haman's decree to annihilate the Jews was issued on the 13th day of the first month. However, the Jews ultimately triumphed over their enemies, turning a day intended for destruction into one of victory. This reversal underscores the theme of transformation associated with the number 13. The dual nature of the number 13. While often linked to negative connotations, the number 13 also embodies themes of promise and divine intervention. The number 13 promise. Some interpretations view 13 as representing a number 13 promise, signifying a powerful, God-initiated promise that brings about significant change. This perspective emphasizes that, although humans may perceive situations as hopeless, God's plans prevail, transforming circumstances beyond human capability. Faith writers. Unity between God and man. In Hebrew numerology, the number 13 is seen as the sum of 6, representing man, and 7, representing divine perfection, symbolizing the unity between God and humanity. This union leads to victory and fulfillment of divine purposes. The 13 attributes of mercy. In Jewish tradition, the 13 attributes of mercy describe God's compassionate and forgiving nature. These attributes, derived from Exodus 34 verses 6 to 7, are recited during prayers and emphasize God's enduring mercy, offering a positive dimension to the number 13. Wikipedia. The number 13 in the New Testament. The New Testament also reflects the complex symbolism of the number 13. Revelation chapter 13. Revelation 13 introduces the beast, representing opposition to God and persecution of the faithful. This chapter reinforces the association of 13 with rebellion and the challenges faced by believers. Acts of transformation. Conversely, the New Testament contains narratives where initial rebellion or misunderstanding leads to transformation and redemption, aligning with the theme of divine intervention associated with the number 13. Cultural perceptions and misconceptions. The number 13 has been regarded as unlucky in various cultures, a perception that may stem from its biblical associations with rebellion. However, the biblical narrative presents a more nuanced view, recognizing both the challenges and the potential for divine transformation linked to this number. MaryJaneHumes, Practical Applications for Believers. Understanding the symbolism of the number 13 can offer insights into spiritual growth. Awareness of rebellion. Recognizing tendencies toward self-will and seeking alignment with God's purposes. Embracing transformation. Trusting in God's ability to redeem and transform situations that seem hopeless. Appreciating divine mercy. Reflecting on God's attributes of mercy and striving to embody them in personal conduct. The biblical number 13 embodies a rich tapestry of meanings, encompassing themes of rebellion, transformation, and divine mercy. While it often signals challenges or opposition, it also underscores the potential for redemption and the fulfillment of God's promises. By understanding and reflecting on the significance of this number, believers can gain deeper insights into their spiritual journey and God's overarching narrative of grace and restoration.